Hi there, nice to see you again. It is day 13 of this millinery advent calendar. We have another package to open. Let's crack into this after this intro. Okay, so I'm trying not to rip this so I see what's inside. And ooh. Okay, so if you want a softer feather, you can always try the peacock eye feathers. These never fail to make a statement. Okay, let me see, while I'm opening this, let me see if I can... Ooh. So we have... We have two feathers here. We have, which I'm assuming would be like this is the traditional peacock feather, and this is like a burnt, not a burnt, like a dyed version, burnt and dyed. I don't know how it works. So these are £1.75 each, and it looks like they come in multiple colours. This pink is a candy pink, and I'm just trying to see if they have them in, is that a natural? Yes. So this is £1.75 and this is £1.50 each, and I'm loving them, and this would work. This, I mean, you know, that matches perfectly, whereas this is a statement. This is definitely a statement. See, I'm not superstitious at all, so I don't mind peacock feathers, but I remember my dear mother, she would like, oh, you can't have peacock feathers, John, you can't have peacock feathers, they're very unlucky. Whereas I'm not superstitious. I them colours, oh, them colours are amazing. So, wonder what we can do with these. Day 13, question of the day is via Instagram, and the question is, what is the best way to price your millinery? What feels right for you? So you've got to take a lot of things into consideration, and it's up to you what you want to incorporate into your pricing. The basic would be cost of goods plus your time equals how much it costs to make, plus profit is what you would sell. But then you've got to take other things into consideration. Is this a one-off piece that you're not going to repeat again? Therefore you can add a little bit more on for exclusivity. Is this a piece that you are going to be making time and time again? Then you want to take into consideration the material, not the materials, the equipment. So say you expect to make 10 from this style, then look at your hat block. Do you need to buy a new hat block? Do you want to absorb some of that cost in there? Then you've got your marketing costs, you've got electricity costs, you've got your website costs, insurance. Do you have a studio? Do you need to incorporate that into your pricing? I think once you're at a studio level, you know, it's something I'm working towards. I think once you're at a studio level, then certain aspects of your pricing doesn't come into your pricing, because that's an overhead as opposed to part of cost of goods. I think from a basic level, cost of goods, so what it actually costs you, the materials it costs you to make that hat, plus your time. So say it takes you 6 hours to make you need to put a value on your hourly rate, so to speak. So cost of goods plus your time it took to make that piece, plus what percentage profit, that would be a base level of how to price your millinery. But you know, I could be here all day talking about how to price your goods, and there's lots of people on the internet who are a lot better at it than me. I mean, you know, I'm not the best at pricing my goods, so you know, yeah, that's how I would say it would be to price your goods. Thank you very much for watching. As always, all the items will be linked in the description box below, along with all my social media, which is probably scrolling across the screen as we speak. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you are subscribed, thank you very much. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We'll be putting up videos every day at 8 PM in the month of December. So officially hit the halfway point. So let's see what is in day 14 tomorrow. Until then, see you later. Bye.